guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our monthly boxy. I just got this in the mail yesterday and we're filming on a Sunday, so I'm in my pajamas still. My shirt says cuddles and coffee, if you can see that. Yeah, so if you want to see what I got in my November BOXYCHARM.
Why is the sun doing this? Don't do this, sun. Come on, work with me.
There, that's much better. So if you want to see what I got in my November BOXYCHARM box, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so our theme this month is Harvest, which is so cute. Love this. Our first product is this Earth Harbor Anti-Pollution Youth Ampoule. Basically like a serum, I think. It is a purely natural, ethical C-active. It's plant-based, non-GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten added, no soy added, small batch made, and women owned, which is so cool. Ooh, this looks like a cherry drink or something. It says, named after the powerful Greek deity of the sun, Helos Anti-Pollen Youth Ampoule is an almighty ambrosia brimming with ultra reparative plant stem cells and a fountain of youth preserving red algae. Restore antioxidants, balance skin pH, and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, so I think I just put this on. It says add 2 or more drops to any Earth Harbor serum, facial oil, or moisturizer morning and night. I don't have any other Earth Harbor stuff, so I'm just gonna mix it in with my sunscreen and my moisturizer. So I'm just gonna take 2 drops of this and add it to my mixture. Here we go. And just rub it in on my face. I mean, if it's supposed to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, that's pretty cool because it's never too soon to prevent those. I don't really think it has any scent to it. Well, it's kind of got like a very musk floral scent. Like, it's not overpowering at all, like you can hardly smell it, but it smells pretty good. The MSRP on this little guy was $48, so very bougie. So I went ahead and did the rest of my base that I know I don't have in my box. So next, going into this Beauty Creations Cali Glow, super cute packaging. It's even got a mirror, like that's so cool. A summer glow all year long? Yes, please. The Cali Glow highlight palette is made up of 3 shades to suit all skin tones. Malibu has a subtle champagne color, Santa Monica gives you the golden hour look for all day long, and Manhattan Beach is the ultimate bronze look. This highlight palette is stunning. These shades, I was shook when I swatched them on my finger. Like, I don't even know what I want to use. I think I'm gonna use Santa Monica, which is this middle shade right here. And we're just gonna pop that right on our, okay now. Wow, this is so pretty. And I'm gonna mix actually Santa Monica and Malibu for going down my nose, just to use some other shades in here. Wow, that glows. And then I'm just gonna use Monica for my, what is this? Cupid's bow. Holy heck and bob. You know what? I'm just gonna put Malibu on my cheeks too, because I want to. God, this is so stunning. This highlight palette, I'm shook, just shook. Oh, that is beautiful. And this highlight palette was $15. That is insane because it is amazing. Next we have is the Jouer Cosmetics Pure Primo Primer. It is a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place to maximize color and pearl dimension. It's water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glue glitter. Mix your favorite concealer to customize the primer's shade. And yeah, we're just gonna put it on our eyes so we can dig into our new eyeshadow palette, which I'm so excited about. Like, I can't even believe I got this. I was literally like so excited when I saw it in my box. Oh, this is like so creamy. Definitely like sticky. You can feel it like sticking on your fingers when you apply it, which I guess is good because that means your eyeshadow ain't going nowhere. And I don't know how well this is gonna do because I already kind of like set my eyes before I did this. I don't know why, but it's like so creamy going on. That's so crazy. I needed this for my video last week to like make that glitter stay. I don't know if I love this already. Like, it's already like peeling right there. I was trying to blend it in, but it just dries so fast. I don't know. But anyway, This was $15. But moving to our next product, we have, are you guys ready for this? I don't think you're ready for this. We have the beautiful Natasha Denona. Palette. Like, what in the heck? This came in my BOXYCHARM box. Like, that is so crazy. A 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm tone eye pigments that she mixes and matches with her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas for the cult classic Viva, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes, you'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. Yeah, I'm just shook, and the packaging is so freaking cute. Like, I love this. I don't know. And this 5-pan palette was $48. That's bougie. So yeah, let's just dip right into it, see what we're gonna create. I have no idea what to create. I've never used a Natasha Denona palette before, so obviously I'm gonna use shimmer, and that's the only one we got, so that's an easy choice. First, I'm just gonna start off with this white shade to go in and like set our eye primer and hopefully get that weirdness out of there. Guys, it is Sunday morning, like I said, and I have not put deodorant on yet, and my armpits is sweating, and it's not a great sight right now. This side doesn't look bad at all, really. It's this side that's just like really crummy right here because of that primer. So I don't know, we'll see how this plays out. But I think I'm gonna take this shade right here, and we're gonna work that in our crease. This is really pigmented. That primer, it has like a line on my eye and I don't like it. This side isn't really doing it, so it's not like the palette, obviously. It's clearly that primer. Next, I'm going in with this like kind of terracotta shade right here. I'm just trying to mix it up because normally I would go straight to the brown, but I just want to be different today. I'm a little scared, but we're gonna try it. Just work this on the outer edge. Holy hell. Holy hell, abort mission. What the hell is this? Okay, that's better, but it was going on so bright. I'm like, what the heck? I do not like that primer. It's like making my eyes crack. I don't like that. Ugh. This is actually such a gorgeous shade. I'm glad I decided to go for it. I do kind of want to bring some of that to the front of my eye in the crease. And just for the very outer corner, I'm gonna take that brown and place it like right on the outer corner, just to, like it said, maybe give that sunset vibe. This palette is gorgeous. It is stunning. And then I'm gonna take that brown color again and work on the outer corner of our eye, very close to the lash line, just to deepen it up. And then mix these two shades and go on our full bottom lash line. Okay, I just can't with this palette. It is so freaking pretty. Okay, and then lastly, you can guess, I'm gonna take this shimmer shade right here with my finger. Ooh. This is gorgeous. OMG. OM freaking G. Wow, I love her. I love Natasha. Like, this is gorgeous. And then lastly, I'm pretty sure this is how you pronounce this shade. I think it's Jouer, but it's Jouer, but I think it's pronounced Jouer. I've never had a product from them, so if I butchered that, so sorry. Let me know down in the comments that I am basic and don't know how to pronounce it. But this is the Essential Lip Enhancer. It says, infused with good for you clean ingredients, this lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that protects your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. It doesn't really say like when to apply it. It just says directions for use, apply 3 times daily for 29 days for softer, visibly fuller lips. So I'm just gonna apply it under my lipstick, I guess. Very silky, very soft and smooth. Kind of smells weird. I don't really know what it smells like though. But yeah, I guess that's how you apply it, I don't know. I don't know if you're supposed to apply it over or you're just supposed to wear it like to bed or like for your morning routine. I don't know, it doesn't really say. So this Jouer Cosmetics product was $17. Okay, I just finished the rest of my makeup, so let's add the total price of all the products. First, we got the Earth Harbor serum, which was $48. Next, we had the Beauty Creations Cali Glow highlighter palette, which was $14.99. Next, we had the Jouer Cosmetics eye primer, which was $15, and we had the Natasha Denona Peak palette, which was $48. And then lastly, we had the Jouer lip enhancer, which was $17 for a total of $143. That is a good box this month. I'd have to say the only thing that I was not crazy about was this Jouer eyeshadow primer. I just think it was way too sticky and it made my eyeshadow like really weird on this eye. I'll probably try it out again just to see if I can make it apply better. But everything else I really loved. I think my favorite products would have to be the highlighter palette and the eyeshadow palette. They were just literally stunning. So yeah, once again, total was $143. All I paid for this box was $25. All you pay every single month, $25. They ship you a box with 5 full-size products in it, and you get to try new makeup for very cheap. You can't beat it. So yeah, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you got any of these items in your box and you liked them, didn't like them. What are your thoughts? If you haven't already, make sure to go and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Go out and make the world smile. So yeah, if you, ew, what the hell? Freaking sweating my balls off. My armpits smell so gross. Ow. Oh God, yeah.